Hi everyone, today I am reviewing the dust-free quick pasting box. This is a glass they use for screen protectors. This one specifically, as you can see right here, is for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This is a privacy screen. They also have for other screens too, such as the iPhone. This is for the iPhone 16. So I'll be reviewing this product here. I do also have reviewed other screen protectors here on the channel, so feel free to please subscribe for more notifications of those reviews, including cell phone, basically cases. So I've reviewed a variety of different cases. I have a variety of different phones, as you can see right here. I've got so many different cases and phones here that is it's actually pretty crazy. So let's jump right into it on reviewing this product here. So right off the bat, you can see this is a very different product. It looks very different. The case is very different. And the reason why I purchased this one was for the Galaxy S25 Ultra phone, there is no privacy screen protector for it. There's regular glass screen protectors, but not privacy ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. As you can see right here, I've got all the different items within it. They're all basically divvied up. Let's go ahead and spread all the different things out here. Got a screen protector, accessories. Let's go ahead and get you out the instructions. So insert the phone into the positioning slot, press around the edges to ensure the phone is securely in place. Clean the phone with a wet wipe, cleaning cloth, and dust removal sticker in that order. Fasten the top positioning clip and align the bottom two positioning holes. Securely fasten the bottom two positioning holes. So that's very straightforward. They've got some other steps right here. Looks like steps 5, 6, and 7, 8. Place the cover over the phone and pull out the dust removal tab. Lift the hinge card from the top and slowly peel the backing off. The screen protector will align it with this phone screen. Use your fingers to push out any air that's within there, and open the cover and remove the hinge card. So pretty straightforward. I like how this company provides you basically the container. This is a very sophisticated container too. You just don't see this on any of the products out there. I've reviewed many different screen protectors out there, and they can get pretty pricey, up to the $50, $60 range. This one is a lot cheaper. And again, I'll leave a link down below in the description if you guys are interested to purchase this screen protector. This is not only sell privacy screens, but also regular screen protectors. However, this is nice. This is really nice to see this. You don't see this at all from different vendors, and that's because this costs money to produce and provide. So this is very nice to see this. So let's jump right into it in installing it. All right, so we took everything out of the box. One thing to notate, this is a 2-pack privacy screen protector, not a 1-pack, a 2-pack. So you get 2 privacy screen protectors with this product. So that's really a value in providing to you guys. So I mean, a lot of these screen protectors, they wear out over about a year, 2 years, and then you got to purchase another one. This one gives you already 2 of these products. So this is phenomenal. This is a really good deal that they're providing in terms of their products. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and put away one of them, and we're gonna start with the other one. All right, guys, so it looks like there's a reason why they have 2 screen protectors, as you can see right here. I went ahead and tried to install it, but it got damaged. You can see right here, there's some bubbling on the screen. I'm gonna go ahead, and you can see right there, I'm gonna go ahead and they didn't provide like a little pick, but I'm gonna try to use a little hard surface to kind of push out the bubbles on the side. All right, guys, that's about it. In terms of installing it, let's go ahead and show you guys the final result. There are still some bubbles you can see right here. I'll give you guys an update if those bubbles do go away or if they're still there. on the device screen. Overall, I think is okay. This is like a little thin. I would say I wouldn't even call it a glass. Looks like a very thick plastic on it. So, you know, but this is the only privacy one that they sell. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below. See you guys next video.